to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and we are making French baguettes. Let's get started.
Pretty simple ingredients. We need 2 1/4 cup or 500 milliliters of warm water, about body temperature, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 2 tablespoons olive oil or other oil, 2 teaspoons salt, about 6 cups or 750 grams of flour, or as much as you need to make your dough the right consistency. Add your water, sugar, and yeast to a large mixing bowl, and wait until you start to see bubbles form. Then add a couple tablespoons of flour, salt, and oil, and mix it through. Slowly add the rest of the flour and stir it in until completely incorporated. Mix with a spoon until you can't anymore. And knead the rest of the flour in. If the dough is still sticky like mine is, add a couple tablespoons more flour at a time until the dough is soft but not sticky. That's better. Knead a few more moments. Cover with a clean towel and allow to rise for about an hour or until the dough has doubled in size. Briefly knead the dough. And cut it into 2 or 3 pieces. Form each piece into a loaf. Slit the top and set on a lined baking sheet. Cover again and allow to rise for another full hour. That is the secret to French bread. It rises a long time, causing a lot of bubbles in the dough. Then bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Brush the top of the bread with butter while it's still hot. This will keep the bread from drying out too much. This bread has a lovely crust, and the bread is soft and lovely. It tastes just like store-bought French bread. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.